unblock people on Instagram. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. To unblock people or account on Instagram, what you have to do is you have to go to your profile page and then click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Then you can see this pop-up menu and then click on the settings in the top. When you click on the settings, you can search in the settings that blocked. So you can search in the settings blocked. So here you can see the option blocked accounts. You have to click on the blocked accounts and then you can see all the your blocked accounts. To unblock accounts on the Instagram, you have to tap on the unblock right beside the all the username. So you have to click on the unblock for the unblock the person and then click on the unblock again. You have to again click on the unblock account and then click on the unblock, and you have unblocked the person. So that's basically it, that how you can unblock people on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video and comment below that it works. I appreciate